Welcome to Baby Lane.
Hello everyone, in this video we are making a bookmark and we will be painting on it a beautiful spot, and we will color it using the complementary colors. So the colors that we will be using here are purple and yellow, and then blue and orange, and green and red. Since purple and yellow are complementary colors in the color wheel, and blue and orange also are complementary colors in the color wheel, and red and green also. So I hope you enjoy watching.
They're far away. So I designed it like that. And over here, and the ball pen is drawing to its way. These are the real rice or something like they started.
Now I'm doing
Some
Mama, look at what I'm doing.
yes. Starting to make these little lines that look like a far away rice. Home.
I want the stars. Okay, stars. Oh.
And then we're almost at the bottom.
Oh, that's good as sun. Ooh. Oh.
Over here, we make the post. The rice that is near at us. I'm sorry that it was ugly, but it will be fine. Almost. 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 Done. So it's time for complementary colors.
We need to color is okay. We don't have poster color, that's why we will use the watercolor. We have no choice but to use only the watercolor.
Yellow. Yellow. We simply do it like that. Carefully through the cloud. And there, like it's following the paintbrush because it's pushing. That's
purple.
It's blue.
Move a little bit here.
Okay, we're coloring the clouds. Purple.
You
Maybe
don't need
it's a purple
brown
here.
color.
Very nice. It was blue. And then I made it very nice. And over here, the cloud on top. There. Now I just get to wash this little bit of those yellow, and we wash it. And then we color it with red. It's going to be orangey.
Here we are mixing the yellow and red color to create an orange color since we're running out of orange watercolor.
Now just a little bit yellow again, and red. We got orange. It does not look like the same orange as the others. So we got blue. It looks like it's not look like it. Get this little orange. Oh, how did the purple come back?
Pig colored. Wait. Oh my god, is that a frog over there again?
It's not a frog.
Enough. Color na to.
Pati namin smoothing. Pati namin smoothing. Pati namin smoothing. Pati namin smoothing.
But there's a good little spike at that. But there's a good little spike at that. Just shot.
For a simple complementary colored bookmark.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.
And if you want to watch more of our videos, just search MTB-MLE.
Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.